Hello, and thank you for tuning in to the latest update from 24 Trains TV. This week, we've added great new videos to the world's only Train Netflix. For just $4.99 per month, you get access to our huge train video collection. And with the 24 Trains TV live channel, you can watch non-stop train television anytime. For those who aren't subscribers yet, we currently have an amazing offer. Sign up for a trial subscription, get 7 days of free access to 24 Trains TV, and have a chance to win tickets for the Steam Society rides during Sale 2025. Thanks to our partner, we're able to raffle off 5 tickets for this special event among our new trial subscribers. So sign up quickly through our website. We're giving you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at Miniworld Rotterdam. This attraction takes you on a journey through the past and present of Rotterdam, all in miniature form. The trains serve as a connecting thread throughout the experience. With this exclusive 24 Trains TV report, we're also giving you a behind-the-scenes look. For example, how traffic control works when more than 20 different trains are running at the same time. The Groningen station is currently undergoing the biggest renovation in its history. That's why, at 24 Trains TV, we're taking a look back at the station as it was before the renovation. But this time, from above. This way, you'll get a clear sense of the scale of the renovation project. After the renovation, well, take to the skies again to check out the new situation. Lounge in the lounge car means several things at 24 Trains TV. For example, it means enjoying the most beautiful model railways, presented by the builders themselves. Sit back, relax in your own lounge, and enjoy this impressive model railway. Freight transport is what the railways were originally designed for, being able to move a lot at once. The station of Oberhausen West is a true hub for freight trains. Freight trains of all kinds pass through here, coming from every direction. Thanks to this video, you can really imagine how many trains pass by each week when you see what happens in just a few hours. The VIRM is a highly recognizable Dutch train set. But the history of this series is much more varied than most people think. In an exclusive documentary, only available on 24 Trains TV, you'll learn all about this fascinating history. We'll be back next week with a new update. But would you like to enjoy even more train videos in the meantime? Then you'll need to become a subscriber. On 24 Trains TV, you'll find exactly how you can sign up.